Nervous we're gonna die before we get there.
Okay, get that first envelope and open it.
Oh god.
But don't open. Let me see which one you're getting first, because there's two things in there.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna get there before I even open this.
No, we won't. Take it out and I'll let you know. Let me see. Okay, the first one.
This one?
Yeah, read that one first.
We have a proactive day for us and I hope you enjoy it. In the same envelope, you will see another paper that reads your present. Hope you're ready. Okay. Now, what's all of this?
Open it.
I'm trying.
That's where we're going.
Sunshine rafting. All right.
Going river rafting.
Yeah.
Okay, now open the other one. It's on your little life away.
All right.
Oh, jeez, Louise. Don't laugh at me. Look, they have a trail 1 mile long.
The Rafting Rapid.
Sucker.
So we're supposed to cross?
Yes, go down
over
there. Just follow them.
Okay.
Go. We're at Knight's Ferry. About to go river rafting. Yeah! Yeah! Look at the water, babe.
Oh
It's
gosh.
clear.
This is gonna be a blast.
Yes, thanks.
And it's like nice and hot today. So
Yes, look at that. Oh my goodness.
It's going to feel
Hella
amazing.
good. You excited?
I'm so excited.
Walk it out. Super excited. Super hot. I'm burning already.
We'll put one leg in so you can jump in unless you're gonna get wet.
I don't know where that shit. Oh shit. They went all the way.
Wait, babe. Let them go.
Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys.
They're trying to go together.
All right, guys. All right, everybody, turn around. All right, guys. This way, this way. Hey, turn around, go. Go, turn around. Hold on, guys.
Ah, it's hot. Ay, está caliente, no mames.
Ready?
Ay. Oh my god, I'm fucking scared. Ah. Holy shit. We're gonna die. Row, baby, row. Wait, we're going the right way. We hit the road. Babe! Look Look how clear the fucking water is. Oh my god, it's freezing. It's so cold. I kind of want to put this somewhere like where you can see us. It's so nice. I think we're supposed to sit on the side, babe.
Yeah, if there's no people.
Just us two. Nosotros dos. No, paddling the wrong way. There we go. Ah, we're gonna crash, babe. I'm going. You have the control. Going the wrong way, honey. Ah! Mira, ponte esto. Since you're in the back, pontelo right here.
I'm trying to steer, hold on.
You'll be good. Here.
Alright, at least get it straight.
Here. Pontelo like right here.
Good, bottom.
It's recording already. In the bottom of it. There you go.
Oh shit! Babe, you gotta sit on one side. On one side. A saber.
Together. No, we gotta wait.
Oh, there's a big ass rock. Push it off. Oh my god, babe, stop moving. Turn. Push it off. Push off that rock. Push it. Push it. You are so fucking fired. Dale.
Good, babe, I don't want to turn. Okay, go straight now. Go straight. Stop it.
Okay, go right there.
It's so hot. We need more people, that's why.
No, you just need to sit still.
I can't.
Stop. Just chill. Stop. 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 Stop.
Horseshoe Road, 5 miles. We still have 5 miles. Seriously not paying attention to the shuttles. Me hubieran dejado a la chingada. Pedal girl. I got the girl right now. Come on, Daniela, you can do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared. Oh shit. I'm scared. Oh my god. Hey, steer that way. It's crazy. No, don't steer anymore. No, no, no. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's a big ass rock. Okay, so what do I do? Do I just like steer? Oh, I feel it. Okay, wrong way. Wait, I have to steer. Hold on. What?
Oh shit. Oh, chetos. Wait, we're gonna hit a rock! Holy shit! Come on, little boat, you can do it. I ain't that heavy. Okay, I guess we're flipping.
We can, or you want to keep going? Let's keep going.
I kind of do, but I kind of don't.
Why?
Because this shit's cold. I think I'm gonna take my socks off. Because my socks are just gonna soak. I'm just gonna stay soaked.
We just finished. How do you feel, Ben?
I'm actually kind of tired.
I'm fucking tired. My arms hurt. We out and about. We were good. We were doing good until we hit the, what, 3 miles left? We were fucking dying, and this is like an 8-mile
Journey.
Oh, I couldn't think. But we're finally finished. Ready to go home.